Hey, I'm Kato. My parents just went to Burger King, got me a 20-piece nuggets, and now I'm gonna eat them, so get ready. Oh, here's my fries. Here's my fries. They're putting them up high. I'm gonna have to get them. I'm so hungry. A beast of nature must eat French fries. One fell. I know there's more up there. They got chicken too. Why aren't they giving me the chicken? Why are you giving me the French fries? No ketchup? What's the point of a fry without ketchup? Making me work for my food today. I already went for a W. Oh yeah, big reach. This is a good one. These ones are looking a little far back. How am I gonna get it? Should I cry? Should I bark? Should I give up? Oh good, yeah. Put it closer. In the corner. Yeah. Oh yeah. So hungry. Oh, another thing that would be good with these fries is gravy. French fries and gravy. Poutine. Now that's a meal. So hungry. This one's a reacher. Come closer. Oh yeah. Come on, so close. Reach, puppy. Yeah, I can taste it. I can almost taste it. It's gonna be so delicious. Come on, I'm not giving up on you, French fry. Yeah, you're mine. Get in my belly.